Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Prompt Engineering, guiding your AI's thinking process, techniques like chain of thought or tree of thought. Teaching AI to think step by step, or explore options before answering. Analogy: instead of just asking for an answer, you ask the AI to show its work or brainstorm first. Imagine you're building an app and you need an AI to help. So far, we've learned to ask AI simple questions like, what is the capital of France? But what if the task is harder? Like plan a travel itinerary for Paris with a limited budget. A simple question might give a basic answer, but we want the AI to really think it through, just like a human would. In this lesson, we'll learn how to guide our AI to think step by step, or explore different ideas before giving an answer. This is like asking your AI to show its work or brainstorm first. When you just ask an AI for an answer, it often tries to give the most direct, quick response. For easy facts, that's great, but for complex problems, like debugging code, writing a detailed report, or solving a tricky puzzle, this quick answer might be incomplete, incorrect, or miss important details. Think of it like asking a student, what's the answer to this math problem? Without asking them to show how they got there. If the answer is wrong, you don't know why. As developers, we need our AI tools to be reliable and transparent. This is where advanced prompt engineering comes in. Instead of just asking for the final answer, we'll learn to instruct the AI to process the information in stages. It's like being a good manager who doesn't just ask for a report, but asks their team to first gather data, then analyze trends, and then summarize findings. We're essentially giving the AI a mental framework, asking it to break down the problem, consider different angles, and then formulate its response. This leads to much more accurate, detailed, and robust outputs for your applications. Chain of thought, or COT, is like asking your AI to show its step-by-step math problem-solving process. Instead of just giving an answer, you tell the AI, think step by step. First, identify the core problem. Second, list potential solutions. Third, evaluate each solution. Finally, provide the best answer. By explicitly prompting the AI to articulate its reasoning process, it's forced to perform intermediate steps. This drastically improves its ability to handle complex reasoning tasks, leading to better results for your software. For developers, COT is incredibly valuable. Imagine you're building an AI assistant for customer support. If a user asks a complex question, COT can help the AI. 1. Understand the nuances. User is asking about refund policy and delivery times. 2. Access relevant info. Check refund policy document, then delivery FAQs. 3. Synthesize. Combine info to form a complete answer. This makes the AI's responses more accurate and less prone to hallucinations, making things up. Plus, if the AI gives a wrong answer, you can see its thought process and debug your prompt more effectively. Now, what if a problem doesn't have one clear, step-by-step path, but many possible solutions, and you want the AI to explore them all? This is where tree of thought, TOT, comes in. Imagine TOT as asking the AI to brainstorm all possible ideas, weigh the pros and cons of each, and then pick the best one. Instead of a single chain, the AI generates multiple potential thoughts or branches, explores each one for a bit, and then decides which path is most promising. It's like an actual brainstorming session where you explore several ideas before narrowing down. TOT is super useful for developers tackling open-ended or creative problems. Creative content generation. Generate 5 different plot ideas for a fantasy story. Then expand on the best 2. Strategic decision making. Analyze market trends. Propose 3 different product features based on those trends. And evaluate the potential impact of each. Problem solving with multiple solutions. Given this code error, suggest 3 different approaches to fix it, explaining the trade-offs of each. TOT helps your applications deliver more innovative, well-considered, and robust solutions, especially when a single right answer isn't obvious. By using chain of thought and tree of thought, you're not just getting answers from your AI, you're teaching it to think more like a human expert. For developers, this means building more intelligent, reliable, and powerful applications. Start by experimenting with your prompts. Asterisk for reasoning tasks. Add, let's think step by step. Asterisk for creative or complex choices. Instruct it to explore multiple options before deciding. This will transform your AI from a simple answer machine into a true problem-solving partner for your projects. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.